Do you know how the Prophet taught a poor man to become self-reliant? Down finger, watch till the end, it's beautiful. A poor man once came to Prophet Muhammad and said, "Speech balloon, O Messenger of Allah, I need help." But the Prophet had nothing to give at that moment. The Prophet asked, "Speech balloon, do you have anything in your house?" The man replied, "Bucket, only a piece of cloth and a wooden bowl." The Prophet told him, "Right finger, bring them here." The Prophet sold those items in a small auction. He gave the man some money and said, "Speech balloon, buy food with some, and with the rest, get an axe and rope. Hammer, chop wood. Sell it. Come back in 2 weeks." The man returned smiling, open-mouthed smile. He had earned money by selling firewood. No more begging, no more shame. The Prophet said, "Speech balloon, this is better than asking people. Sparkle's work, even if small, is more honorable in Islam." A seed planted with faith grows into a tree of dignity. Follow for more inspiring Islamic stories.